The cough reflex serves as an essential defense mechanism in the immune system, acting as a mechanical barrier against inhaled pathogens. Upon detecting irritants or microorganisms in the respiratory tract, sensory receptors trigger a rapid expulsion of air, forcefully removing potential threats. This protective reflex can propel particles out at speeds exceeding 60 miles per hour, ensuring pathogens don't reach deeper airway structures. The adaptive nature of the cough reflex adjusts its intensity based on the threat level, offering a dynamic defense against respiratory infections. Supporting this shield, mucus and cilia collaborate to trap and clear debris, providing a multifaceted respiratory defense. This script showcases the intricate interplay of mechanical and physiological processes, emphasizing the efficiency and adaptability of the cough reflex as a critical component of our body's immune arsenal.